One such solution is RepairBot. Developed in partnership with IMCRC, Swinburne University, and collision industry leaders, this world-first automated repair system will be able to replicate and repair plastic parts that are deemed irreparable, creating a better standard of repair criteria and new skills. In today's collision industry, most damaged plastic parts such as headlight bases are completely replaced with a new part instead of being repaired due to a number of factors. The type of impact, time restraints, components have broken off and are missing, and the repair required is too complex and intricate even for skilled technicians. Some headlights could cost thousands of dollars to replace and could take days, if not weeks, for the new part to be delivered. The damaged headlights are thrown as waste, with other broken irreparable parts headed for landfill. What a waste! To address this problem, RepairBot integrates state-of-the-art technologies including advanced materials, 3D scanning and digitization, robotics and automation, 3D printing and systems engineering to create an automated repair solution. Let's check out RepairBot's process of repairing a damaged headlamp. The technician places the damaged headlamp in the RepairBot system. Enter the part number and it matches to the identical CAD file of the undamaged part in the system. RepairBot scans the damaged part and assesses the damage. It determines if the damage meets the repair criteria. It then selects material type, print component. Result? A quality repair, machine finished, and a perfect fit. Thank you, RepairBot. Just one of the exciting projects under development at TradyBot Industries. Stay tuned for some of our other exciting projects coming soon.